Kasi hindi siya, walang permanente. Marami nagpapago sa nagpapago nila. You know, can you imagine inviting the president of Mega World and give the talk? Dear Mega World President, this is from Larawan Realty. We are very honored to invite you to become a speaker for our training session. Tawanan ka. Tama hindi. Sumulat ka sa IEC. Where Larawan blah blah blah. Makapagtawanan ka. Sumulat ka sa Ayala, makapagtawanan ka. Okay? Sumulat ka sa ibang urban developer, hindi ako magsasalita, bibigyan ka niya ng incentive. Why? Kasi isip nila ganyan lang eh. Hindi naman sila mag-isip na, why should I spend half of my afternoon, my whole afternoon with you talking? Why should I share what I know? Sikreto, what I know? And you know what? I'm here today because there's no secret. Series of success is our